Welcome to Lily English Tips. Come with me and my mom as we go to the supermarket and cook a delicious meal together. Mom, can we go to the supermarket?
Yes, Lily. Let's go together.
Yay! I'm so happy.
Do you have your shoes on?
Yes, I'm ready.
Great. Let's go.
Okay, Mommy.
This will be fun.
The supermarket is big.
Yes, it has many things.
Mom, what do we need to buy?
We need milk, eggs, and bread.
I like milk.
Me too. Let's get some milk first.
Where is the milk? It is in the fridge over there. I see it.
Good job. Put it in the cart.
Okay, Mom. Now, let's get some eggs. Be careful, Mom. Eggs can break.
Yes, you're right.
Can we buy some apples?
Sure. Let's go to the fruit section.
The apples look nice.
Pick some red apples.
I like red apples.
Put them in the bag.
Done.
Do you want bananas too?
Yes, I love bananas.
Okay, let's take some.
Mom, can I have some candy?
Just a little, okay?
Thank you, Mom. You're welcome. What's next?
We need some bread. I see bread over there.
Let's go. This bread looks fresh.
Yes, let's buy it.
Are we done, Mom?
Yes, I think so. Let's go to the cashier.
Okay.
Hello. Hello. That will be $10. Here you are.
Thank you.
Let's go home now.
Mom, we are home now. I'm a little tired.
Yes, Lily.
I will help you carry the bags into the kitchen.
Thank you, Lily. Be careful because they are heavy.
It's okay, Mom. I can carry this small bag.
Good job. Put all the bags on the table, please.
Okay, Mom. I put everything on the table now.
Great. Let's take the food out of the bags.
I see milk, apples, eggs, and bread here.
Yes. First, please put the milk in the fridge.
I am putting the milk in the fridge now.
Good. Now, wash the apples with clean water.
Okay, Mom. I am washing the apples carefully.
Very good. You are a helpful girl.
Thank you, Mom. What are we cooking for lunch today?
Today we will cook rice and fried eggs.
That sounds very yummy. I'm excited.
Before cooking, please wash your hands first.
Yes, Mom. Clean hands are very important.
That's right. Now, let's start cooking rice.
Mom, can you show me how to cook rice?
Of course. First, we wash the rice with water.
I want to try. I will do it slowly.
Good idea. Be gentle when you wash the rice.
Okay, I finished washing the rice.
Great. Now put the rice into the rice cooker.
I put the rice in and add some water.
Perfect. Now we can cook the eggs.
I like eggs. They are my favorite food.
Me too. Eggs are easy and delicious.
Mom, can I break the eggs into the bowl?
Yes, you can. Just be careful and go slowly.
I will try my best. I don't want to make a mess.
That's okay. You are doing very well, Lily.
Thank you, Mom. I feel happy to help you.
Now, let's cook the eggs in the pan.
Wow, it smells so good in the kitchen.
Yes, lunch will be ready very soon.
I am getting hungry now.
Me too. Let's set the table together.
I will put the plates and spoons on the table.
Thank you. Please also bring some cups.
Okay, everything looks nice and clean. The food is ready. Wow, the rice and eggs look so delicious.
Sit down, Lily. Let's enjoy our lunch.
Thank you for cooking with me, Mom.
You're welcome, Lily. I love cooking with you.
The food is very tasty. I like it a lot.
I'm so happy you enjoy the meal, my dear.
Thank you, Mommy. At the end of my supermarket trip and cooking time with my mom, I have a question for you. How much did we spend at the supermarket?